Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today let us learn knotted buttonhole stitch. This is one of the beautiful stitches in which we'll get knots on top in each stitch and a continuous line at the bottom which will be like a stem stitch. You can use this stitch on border lines and as well as the flowers in the patterns. We shall work this stitch in two parallel lines from left to right, and I have marked dots at equal intervals. Start at the bottom row, pull over, twist the thread with the needle, hold with your left index finger like this and pass the needle from top to bottom, thread below the needle, tighten the knot and pull over. We have finished the first stitch. See once again, twist the thread with your needle, hold with your left index, pass the needle from top line to the bottom line in a straight stitch, thread below the needle, hold the knot tight with your left hand and pull over. You will get a knot at the top of the stitch. See once again, twist the thread with your needle once like this, hold with your left index and thumb, pass the needle from top to bottom, thread below the needle, hold the knot tight and pull over. This is an advanced level of stitch and you can learn by practice. See once again, twist the thread with the needle, hold with your left index, pass the needle from top line to the bottom line, making a straight stitch behind the fabric, thread below the needle, hold the knot tight with your left hand and just pull over. You'll get the stitch. We can do this continuously, and I have posted many basic stitches videos and I have given all the links in the description. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links in the description and you can learn all the basic stitches in hand embroidering. I hope you are clear about the stitch now, and if you have any doubts, please do comment in the comment section. If you like this video, share with your friends and relations. Click the like button and also subscribe for my channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notifications for my future videos. You can put the stitches in the patterns wherever needed and it will be a very beautiful stitch. Now I have finished the full line, and at last you can insert the needle outside the stitch like this and finish it. And this is the back view of the stitch. Thank you for watching.